Brad Williams, XL Prime.
Mark your workbook as final. What the heck does that even mean? Well, in short, not a whole lot. The way you mark a workbook as final is you go into Final Info, protect your workbook, and mark as final. But you're really not protecting anything, because if you mark this as final, someone can reverse it. It's just that simple. Marking it final, it marks the workbook read-only so that the file can't be saved using the same name. Well, you just rename it. It makes the workbook view-only so that nothing may be changed. Well, then you just save it to another name. I don't know. But here's how you change it. File, Info, protect workbook, but you're not protecting anything, and mark as final. And then if you hit OK, it's going to note it as marked as final. Hit cancel, and that's it. Is it worth doing? Well, experiment and see if it works for you. That's how you mark your workbook as final.
Brad Williams, XL Prime. Thanks for watching.